Nice ride.
Thanks.
Whoa!
I'm sorry.
Oh, wait. No, that's no. You're, Isabella, right?
Just Bella.
Oh, you're her girl. Yeah. My girl. Oh, I had to miss her today, Mike.
Oh my god. Smile. Okay. Sorry, I needed a candid for the future. Yeah, Edward Cullen. Gorgeous, obviously. So, yeah. Seriously, like, don't waste your time. I wasn't planning on.
Yeah, Mike, hey, you're real cute, man. Oh, no, that's really awesome.
Hello, I'm Edward Cullen. You're Bella?
Yes. Pro-face.
She's pro-face.
Like I said.
So you're enjoying the rain? What?
You asking me about the weather?
Yeah, I guess I am.
I don't really like the rain. Any cold, wet thing in a way.
It's anaphase.
Anaphase.
Like I said. It's metaphase. You wanna check it?
I believe.
What's up, sir? Hey, whoa. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come get a drink with us. Hang out with us. Come on. You're pretty.
Don't touch me.
You really no seriously.
Don't touch me.
Get in the car. That was a very dangerous maneuver.
Can you talk about something else? Distract yourself, let's turn around. You don't know the vile and repulsive things they're thinking.
Oh my god. You know, everybody's staring.
I'm breaking all the rules now anyway. Since I'm going to hell.
And since when do vampires like baseball?
Well, it's the American pastime. And, there's a thunderstorm coming. It's the only time we can play. We'll see why.
Calm as a scene, though. Okay. Tag. Okay, now I see why you need the thunder.
Let's go.
Too late. I believe this belongs to you.
Carla, this is my family.
Get Bella out of here. Go.
I'm gonna run Bella south. Can you leave the tracker away from here?
No, Edward. James knows you would never leave Bella. She'll follow you.
I'll go with Bella. Jasper and I'll drive us out. I'll keep her safe, Edward.
Can you keep your thoughts to yourself? Bella, you know I'm like...